Alright, we're at my compost tea barrel right now, and show y'all what's going on. I got my bloom brew going, and this is some serious shit, y'all. No joke. Look at this shit. Straight up living for freaking organisms going on in here. That's some fucking straight up foamy stuff. Put some down there. But yeah, we got the foliage going. Holy crap, yeah, look at that shit. It's really doing good in here. I like to do, first off, I make sure my hands are real clean, wash them with dish soap, make them real clean, and then come out here and give the bag a little squeezy squeeze, and give it a little ringety ring, squeezy squeeze, get that goodness out of that baggie. Shake it up. Yep. And there you have it. We got 55 gallons of straight ready to go bloom juice. Custom blend. Straight poopy as all hell. This is how you make those giant nuggets, y'all. To be continued.